Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom soundtracks for your design in Canva using the AI tool. So in Canva, you can easily find these apps. You can just go to the apps option here in the left panel, and here you can find it under the feature options. You can just click on this arrow. There will be this AI music, so you can make a royalty free soundtracks with this AI tool. Let's open the tool. Okay, soundtracks made easy. So this AI will create custom music for your Canva videos. You can just choose the mood, adjust the intensity, and let the AI generate a perfect soundtrack for your design. Now let's just click on open and just wait until it's open. So after the AI music is open, you can choose the styles and moods in here. For example, for the moods, I'm going to go with let's try peaceful and also dreamy. Okay, here you can refine the music parameters. Relax, I'm going to go with this one, and slow or fast, you can adjust it. I'm going to go with slow. Okay, I'm going to go with bright and stable in here, and here you can set the duration. Now I'm going to go with just, let's try 15 seconds. Now click on compose and just wait until the AI music tool generate it. Okay, so now it's done. You can hear the result by playing the video here. Let's hear the soundtrack. Okay, it's loading again. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.